Alright guys, so here is your review on how to solve for a variable. Alright, so remember we have two sides here. We have stuff on our left, stuff on our right. We're trying to solve for x. Alright, so I'm going to put a line through my equal sign. Okay, showing we got two sides. Remember, I want to combine anything that I can. Okay, 3x and 5 are not the same. We'd have to combine x's with x's and regular numbers with regular numbers. So we have 3x plus 4x. Well, 3x plus 4x is 7x. That's all the x's that we have on this side. We haven't done anything with the plus 5, so we just bring it down. Now we look at the other side. We have 17 plus 2x minus 2. Well, can't combine 2x with anything else on this side because there's no other x's, but we can do 17 minus 2, which would give us 15. So now we have 15 plus 2x. All right. So technically it does not matter which of my x's I move. Actually, it doesn't matter what you move next, technically. But I would say we want to get all the x's on the same side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the smaller x. Okay, you always want to get rid of the smaller x. So in this case, that would be the 2x. All right, so in order to get rid of 2x, it's being added, so we're going to subtract 2x. If we get rid of it from this side, we've got to get rid of it over here. Make sure you're combining variables with variables. Okay, a little tricky to do this. All right, so we got 5x minus 2x. Or sorry, 7x minus 2x is 5x. Bring down the plus 5 that we didn't do anything with. Equals, we didn't do anything with, is 15. And now we have 2x minus 2x, which is 0, so we basically can cross it out. We're left with just 15. And now we have a basic two-step equation. Y'all are great at these, all right? We have this 5 next to the variable, which means it's being multiplied, and we have this 5 that's being added. So we always get rid of addition or subtraction first. So let's subtract 5, subtract from the other side. That leaves us with this 5x. Equals 10. 15 minus 5 is 10. So we have 5x equals 10. Divide by 5. That gets rid of multiplication. Still leaves us with our x equals 10 divided by 5 is 2. So there's our problem. Okay, what I would advise you to do now is to pause the video and try and solve the second problem. And then once you've solved it or you get stuck, okay, but try and give it a shot first. I'll go ahead and solve this one, and you can check to see if you understood it. All right, so we got 4x minus 3 plus x. I'm going to combine my x's, so that's 4x plus x. Well, if there's only one x there, that's like saying 1x. So 4x plus 1x is 5x. I didn't do anything with the minus 3, so I'm going to bring it down. Equals, okay. Now let's look at this side. 10 minus 2x plus 1. Okay, looking for the common things. 10 and 1 are alike, so 10 plus 1 is 11. All right. Then we have minus 2x. All right, again, I'm going to get rid of the smaller thing, the smaller variable, since I have variables on both sides. All right, so we have 5x or a minus 2x. So what would be smaller is a minus 2x. So we're going to get rid of a minus 2x by adding 2x. Let's make sure we line them up. So now we've added 2x to both sides. All right, 5x plus 2x is 7x. Bring down the minus 3 equals, didn't do anything with 11, bring it down, and then minus x plus 2x would have been eliminated. All right, we got 7x minus 3 equals 11. Okay, again, we're going to get rid of anything being added or subtracted first. So we need to get rid of the minus 3 by adding 3. Add 3 to the other side. Seven x we didn't do anything to. If you had minus 3 and you add 3, it basically would be nothing. It'd be 0. 11 plus 3 is 14. Then a number next to a variable is multiplication, so 7 times x, we can get rid of the 7 by dividing by 7. So x equals 2. Okay, now remember that's just kind of a, you shouldn't always get 2. You're going to get a lot of different answers, but the steps still remain the same. Combine everything that you can combine. Okay, look for things that are like. Then let's get where we just have 1x. Okay, so we got to either move it to the same. If they're already on the same side, you can combine it. But if they're not on the same side, you're going to either need to add or subtract to move them. Okay, and then once you're here, down to a two-step, something like this, 7x minus 3 equals 11. Y'all are great at that. Just make sure you get rid of addition or subtraction first, and then multiplication or division. All right. Feel free to email me or check in with me on the chat if you need any more help.